G'day and welcome to the Ginger Cat Ending a Gimp with Jenny Brandis. The Ginger Cat is the last pattern in the Pattern a Month series number 9. Having worked the chin pins after adding a mouth gimp, it is time to finish off the face by bringing the gimp down and ending it. I'm going to work on the right side first, so bring those bobbins down and ready to go. Next, I encase and lock the gimp in place by laying the gimp over the right bobbin and under the left bobbin, twisting the pairs twice and laying aside. Repeat for the next 2 pairs. You can add a temporary pin to hold the gimp as you go around this corner. Work the pin under the gimp with cross, twist, pin, cross, twist, twist. This next section is worked by laying the gimp over the right bobbin and under the left bobbin. Don't add the 2 twists yet. Leave the gimp open. Lay the gimp up for the moment while you work the left side down, running them side by side under the chin. Lock the gimps in place by adding the 2 twists per pair and working the pins below the gimp. This ends the head portion of the Ginger Cat bookmark. Thank you for watching, and may your bobbins always dance.